I'm on. Good one, good one, good one, good one. You're kidding me. Is this a joke? No way. Out of this little dinky creek? What? Well, this is it. I've officially run out of options. I am out of ideas. This is one of those scenarios in which I have been filming nonstop for the past, I want to say like 3 or 4 days now. But unfortunately, due to the lack of skill on my part and the copious amounts of heat in Texas, it's been pretty difficult for me to film some videos. Basically, I'm trying to say I am first class on the struggle bus currently, but we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna stick with that keep fishing, never stop mentality and try to pump out a video for you guys. Right now, we are fishing on the outskirts of Fort Worth, Texas, and a little place called the Clear Fork Trinity. Now, it's not the actual Trinity River, it's like the Clear Fork section, so it's clear water, fast moving water, which means that maybe there's some hungry fish. We got Alex here on today's fishing mission. He's gonna help us film and then maybe even catch some fish because that's something I've forgotten how to do. Anyway, I'm gonna nip this intro in the bud. We are gonna get rigged up. I've got a few rods. I've got the Googan Squad crankbait, some drop shot stuff tied on, and some finesse rigs. Essentially, I'm just gonna give it my absolute 100% all. So stick with it, stay tuned, and let's catch some urban fish. Welcome to the Clear Fork Trinity. This is our home for the PM bite. I actually filmed the video this morning, didn't catch a single fish. So this is round 2 for today's attempt at knocking out a banger for y'all. I don't really know how this one's gonna go, but I've got some rigs rigged up. Got some crappie stuff, some bluegill stuff, some bass stuff, you know, the essentials for summer. And I'm thinking this might work out. You gotta have confidence in your gut. You can't be cocky, but you also have to have a bit of confidence when you're fishing in the tough conditions. This looks pretty rad. It's fairly shallow, but doesn't mean there can't be fish in there. I'm gonna try a crankbait first. It's not super deep, but it's like deep enough. Tons of bluegill. That looks really good. Plenty of running water. This is a cocktail for some summer bass, no doubt about it. Is that a spring? Oh, I'm on. Good one, good one, good one, good one. What the hell is this? I think I've got a carp. Oh my gosh, what is this, dude? What is this? I think I snagged a carp. Oh my God, I hope it's a bass, because if it's not, I think it's a carp. Oh my God, I've hooked something. Dude, I was looking at you, looking at some water coming in, and my rod just gets ripped out of my hand. What is that? No, what is it? It's a drum ate it. Oh my God, it's a drum. Dude, he ate it. Holy shit, this is insane. That's a fair catch, dude. That thing actually ate it. Look at it. I thought it was a carp. This is a really sick fish. They kind of give up after they pull really hard. They become a little bit easier to manage. There we go. Look at that. I think this is gonna be a video. Personally, I've never caught one of these guys on a crankbait, but they have been known to eat bass lures. I caught like one decent one this spring on a jig. So they're pretty cool fish. They're like related to drums. I think they might be in the same family as like a black drum or something like that, but they're strictly freshwater. The funny thing about them is in Texas, they call them like goober gobs, but I've always referred to them as just drum or sheep's head or something like that. Oh, he's dead. We're gonna get this guy unhooked and then put him back in the water. How insane was that? Dude, that's so sick. On the Googan Squad crankbait, right in the corner of the mouth. He stroked it. There he goes. Wow. Supposedly kind of a trash fish, although I think they fight extremely hard. I don't know why they get a bad rap, but that was an intense fight. I mean, you saw that fish peel out like 15 yards of drag instantly. So while a lot of people don't really target those fish, I thought that was pretty intense. Let's go get some more. Why? Why? How am I? Oh, it's a fish. Oh my God. I thought I was hung up, but I had a fish on. Okay. Well, again, we're after bass. I'm not sure if these fish know that we're trying to catch bass. This is a green sunfish. I mean, I'm not gonna complain, but like, this is usually how these summer fishing missions go. Catch everything but largemouth. Buddy, you look a little rough. You're definitely an urban fish, I can tell you that. Just smoked the rattling net. Nice. So we caught 2 fish at the first spot. There's 2 other spots I want to fish. Before this mission, I went on Google Maps, and by the way, I love Google Maps. Google Maps is seriously one of the best ways to find fishing spots, in case you guys are unfamiliar with that. Get on the program, hop on Google Maps, find some zones. Anyway, cut to the chase, John. Basically, I've got 2 other spots that have a lot of current rolling in. The problem with that zone that we just fished, wasn't a whole lot of depth. So I'm banking on these next 2 spots to have like maybe at least 3 to 4 feet so we can get some bass, but we'll meet you there. Spot number 2, here we are. Welcome. Let's get to catching. By the way, guys, I remembered what Texans call drums. It's 𝗟𝗘𝗥𝗚. It's called 𝗟𝗟𝗥𝗚. 𝗟𝗟𝗥𝗚, that's it. That's it. I don't want you guys to quote me and rip me to shreds. That's the southern nickname for drum. So I just don't want to look like an idiot. I'm just trying to cover my ass here. Anyway, spot number 2. Let's find him. It's actually too shallow for a 1.5. That's insane. Hooked up. Hooked up. What do I have? I have something. What is this? No way. This is pretty sick. So this little guy right here is a long-ear sunfish. The reason why they call them long-ear sunfish is because they've got long ears, obviously. Pretty cool. Species number 3. Caught 3 species and haven't even landed on the target one yet. Fish one, John B. I don't know what else to say. All right, buddy. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. He's good. He's good. I'm good, he's good. Let's catch another. Whoa, that's pretty big. What the hell is this? Oh my God, dude, this is good. This is a good one. Oh my gosh. No, 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 come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh, no way. Dude, it's a good fish. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh, no way. Oh my gosh, you're kidding me. Is this a joke? No way. Oh. Wow, that is why you fish urban waters, for the hype. That was so sick. Like I said, we're at spot number 2 right now. Didn't have a whole lot of confidence here because it's, well, to be honest, it's even shallower than the first spot. But I thought I gotta give it a chance. Maybe there's some bass in here. I took my bluegill crappie rig, which is essentially like a 1-inch soft plastic. I threw it right up under some rocks and this guy ran out with it. So there we go, we did it. First bass of the day, hopefully we get a few more. Even if this is our only one, such a good fish. On a mega ultralight setup. Time for that release. There he goes, back in the deep water. So intense. Look at this rod. This is basically my crappie and bluegill rod. Like I said, I was fully targeting bluegill and crappie. I was like, all right, I don't think there's any bass here, so I'll just go for bluegill. Of course, that's exactly what we had to do. We had to target something else in order to catch largemouth. That's how it always works. Just a little tiny orange finesse plastic. Back to the basics. That was cool. And here we are, the last spot of the day. I'm feeling mega pumped. This was the heaviest of all audibles. Basically, I was driving to this one spot I wanted to throw topwater at the Clear Fork, and then we drove over this creek, and I was like, all right, let's pull over, literally did a U. Checked out this creek, and it looks dope. We're spawning bluegill, it looks pretty deep, and it's crystal clear. So this is where we're gonna end today's video. Regardless or not we catch a 9-pounder, this is it. So hopefully it pans out. Let's get them.
I forgot my plastic.
Yeah, right? How good does this look? Instant 4-pounder. One of my biggest creek fish I've ever caught came out of something smaller than this. Ain't no games, bro, ain't no games. Not here in the creek scene. Oh God. Oh, thank God. Jesus, there is a lot of fish in here for how small this is. Like a lot of fish. It's a little bit deeper.
Oh my God.
What is that? What is it? Oh my God, it just came off.
It broke off.
It broke off?
Big.
It broke off?
It broke off. Look at the hook.
Oh, it broke the hook. Jesus Christ.
That thing was on steroids.
I told you you're gonna catch it. I don't know what the that was. That was something big though. Jesus.
What was that?
Something big. Could have been a big largemouth. Could have been a very big largemouth. Get chased. Oh wow. There's one. No. There's, oh no! Oh! Oh! There he goes. That was huge. That was big, big. There we go, I'm on. Oh yeah, pretty good one. On the jig. Oh my God, dude, that's a good fish. That is a good fish. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is a good fish. Are you kidding me? Are you joking me? No way. No way. Out of this little dinky creek? What? Oh, he's been hooked before, look at that. You know better, buddy, you shouldn't eat in that jig. What happened was I was throwing the lunker log over by that pipe over there, and I was like, how am I not getting bit? So I threw to the front of it, twisted it twice, and something ate it so hard that it grabbed the worm and went into the pipe and snapped me, not on my knot, not on my leader, but at my braid, like like above the knot. Super big fish. Like, I didn't want to know how big that fish is. It's funny because this kid that was down here kind of chirping us a bit, he was like, yeah, there's some pretty big bass in here. I'm like, oh, okay, sure. Like what, like a few like 2-pounders? He's like, no, like big ones. I'm like, all right, now you've got my curiosity. So there we have it. We didn't give up the mission. We persevered. This is definitely gonna be our last fish of the day, and it is an absolute beaut. Gorgeous. Mission success. Well, I do not think we're gonna top that moment for today's video. So without further ado, I'm going to sign off, bid you guys farewell. Thank you guys so much for watching today's creek mission. Remember, get out there, explore on Google Maps, find some waterways like this. This is something that probably a whole lot of people don't fish, and it's just up here for the taking. So yeah, I advocate for you guys to get out there, explore some new waters, make it happen. I'm peacing out, signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as always, folks, keep creaking.